Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It is still Anastasia and I decided to change the location of the video today so you can hear the birds and you can hear the sea, and the waves are so strong today, so maybe it will be too loud. I'm sorry for that. Anyway, stay with me because the topic today is really interesting. I want to discuss with you one question that I get really often. Nastya, I tried to speak with Russian women but they don't answer me, or they look not interested in me. What should I do? So let's discuss today the reasons why it happened, and I will just explain you a bit maybe how women act. So the first reason why this girl look not interested, maybe she just really she really isn't a girl who you should speak with. Maybe she really isn't interested in you. And sometimes we just too shy to say no, because when you say no, some men, I don't know how it is abroad, but in Russia can become aggressive, maybe even say something bad to this girl. So sometimes when we don't wanna make the guys sad, we just answer, but rarely not ask him any questions, and we are just too shy to say listen, I'm just really not interested in you, because we are just afraid. I agree that only not adequate, not normal people can kind of be aggressive to you when you say no, but in Russia it happened. Second reason, maybe you think that she's not interested, but she's just, kind of typical girl like me, for example. I mean, a lot of guys here in Russia or not in Russia, ask me like, Nastya, why you don't write me first? Why I always write you? Why I always call you? And they even become upset, angry at me because I don't call first. So why I do this? First, because I'm more concentrated on other parts of my life, and second, guys, you understand that if a girl is kind of nice, beautiful, smart, if you're not in a relationship, maybe you're not the only one guy who write her. Yeah, because you are all wanna find a smart, beautiful woman, but be prepared that you're not the only one guy who write her, and if you will not write her, someone else will write her. So some guys even do these manipulations, like not write for 3 days or something, and they're waiting that maybe in these 3 days I will write myself, just to see if I'm interested or not. But okay, now I just see these manipulations and I become very angry. It really irritates because I see that person try to make me to do something. But okay, I am a girl and I don't like to write first. I can do this if I see that this guy is really interested in me, if I'm interested in him. But if I'm not sure that he's interested in me, I will not write him first. Russian girls prefer men who can act, who can do actions. So write in comments if women in your country can call or write first. Train. I am just sitting near the train station. The next reason, guys, please, if it is a dating site or maybe just Instagram and you write to the girl, please make normal photos of you where you just look well, where you are smiling. No stupid photos, no stupid pictures. Be polite in your, description in these dating sites. Don't write something bad about women, and normal photos. We also love to see handsome guys, and even if you think, I'm not handsome, what should I do? Just do normal photos. It is what I say, and be polite. Okay, next reason. If you're in a distance relationship, or if you are both live in different countries and you speak with a girl, be ready that one day maybe she will lose the interest. And I think it's absolutely normal. If you didn't see her in real life, if your relationship aren't so strong, or if you're still not sure when you meet, or if you're not sure what you will do. Like some guys just start a long distance relationship and they don't know actually how they will plan their life. Just be ready that maybe she will find someone else, or maybe she will get married, or maybe she will just lose the interest. Especially if this girl is not like 20 years old, but she's already older, she wants to have family. Maybe one day she will be just tired of it, and maybe she decide that she needs a real relationship, real family. So please don't play this game for too long time. And don't be surprised if it will not work. I think if you didn't decide something in just maybe 1 year, maybe I don't know, 2 years, but not more, you still didn't decide where you will live together, and she is already not a child, she wants a family, maybe she will decide to break up with you and she will just lose the interest to this guy on the phone, you know, because you're not real for her. Because even video calls will not work the same like real meeting for a long time. Maybe it's romantic for some months, but then you need to decide something. Maybe she's angry at you, maybe you did something wrong, especially if you say something incorrect, especially if you did something wrong on a date. For example, ask her to spill the bill or maybe didn't open the door. Maybe you told something bad about your ex, like, oh my gosh, I hear sometimes from some guys like they're so happy that they had Russian girlfriend or even girlfriends, and then they start telling me like, I had Russian, I had Ukrainian girlfriends. And I think, what is it like? You think you want something, what you try to do, you are proud of yourself because of this fact, or why you tell me this? I already think, oh my gosh, he's kind of collecting toys, or what? why I should hear this? This is one of the reasons. Then maybe you try to touch her too fast, or not a gentleman. Just think what happened before this. Maybe you will ask her, maybe if she is very honest and brave, maybe she will answer you. So I agree, it's kind of complicated with women, but if you have a deal with women from another country, it's even harder, and it's normal because we are all different and you should be prepared for this. Okay, maybe she's scared of you, maybe she doesn't understand you. I told in one of the videos that it's kind of strange for me if the guy who I don't know write me something like, hello baby, let's know each other, how are you, hello my princess, hello my lovely princess, a lot of kisses, something. For us in Russia it is something not honest, not real, not normal, and too much. I don't say that you should be too serious. Like, remember, we are in Russia, love all this emoji and everything, but just not too much. And don't tell her like baby or my kitty, my lovely princess, my lovely Russian princess, just in first messages. When you already know each other and you feel comfortable together, maybe you can do this. Why not? So guys, it were just the first reasons what I thought about, like why they maybe don't want to speak with you, what you do wrong. Write in comments what you think about it. And if you are interested in learning Russian language, if you want to find Russian girlfriend, if you want to travel to Russia, you can book a class with me, and I will help you with learning language. And of course I will share my experience and my advices in your situation. Have a good day. See you soon. Write in comments what kind of videos would you like to see more. Send you hugs.